Hi everyone, you're welcome to another food and nutrition class. I am Mrs. Olayinka, your food and nutrition teacher. Welcome to week 9. This week we'll be looking at food for different occasions. Food for different occasions. Last week we talked about a very interesting topic. Can anybody remember? What was the topic last week? Good cultural food habits. Last week we talked about cultural food habits. That's the way people react to food on a daily basis. All right, and that's why we also talked about food fad, food taboo. Very good. All right, so today we are looking at food for different occasions. The objective for today's class are just two. You should be able to tell me the types of occasions we have and then why food is very important. You agree with that food is very, very important, but why? Here are types of occasions we have around us. We have actually so many occasions, but we'll be mentioning few in today's class. First of all, I'll be looking at birthdays. Yes, we have birthdays well celebrated across the nation, not only in Nigeria, all over the world. Then we have holidays. Yes, different occasion comes up during the holiday. That's why we have different festivity like the Eid, the Christmas, and then the New Year. We have a lot of occasions during the holidays. Then we have a cultural events like the Ayo Festival, the New Yam Festival. Yes, they are all celebrated during the cultural events. So those are types of occasions. Looking at birthday celebrations, which is a very common one among everyone, not even the children, not youths alone, but youth and adults, everyone wants to be celebrated. So birthday celebration is one of the occasions that is very, very common among people. So during this occasion, a lot of beautiful or delicious party foods are served. All right, so told you about all the festivities or occasions. So we have holiday and special foods. So during the holiday, we used to have Christmas and New Year celebration. During the holiday, also we used to have the Easter celebration. We have Halloween celebration in October. Then we have Thanksgiving celebration in January 1st. That's Thanksgiving, New Year celebration, and it depends on the year where the calendar falls in the country you are. So we have these occasions falling into the holiday period. They are called holiday and festive food. Another important occasion I would like to mention is a wedding. Yes, we have a lot of elegant weddings around, and wonderful and delicious dishes are served during these wedding occasions. All right, so we have three course meals like starter, appetizer, and main dish and dessert. Don't forget, starter is same thing as appetizer, the main dish. So the main dish can actually be different varieties on the guest choice. It might be jollof rice, looking at Nigerian uh, custom or culture. It might be fried rice. It might be bean pudding, as moi moi. It might be ofada rice. It might be pottage as a sorrow. It might be swallow and egusi. It might be jollof rice and fried potatoes. That's the main dish. Then we have other courses that can go with them. That's your small chops, maybe steak, as the case may be. Then we have signature dishes that has to do with a particular ethnic group or culture that you belong to. The Yorubas, they love amala and we do. The Igbos, they have the apple and then egusi soup. And the Hausas, they love their tuwo and miyan kuka. Those are signature dishes. During these occasions that I've mentioned so far, there are some fun foods that are served during these occasions. Aside from the main dish, we have a lot of food items that are served either as starters or as appetizers after the main dish. So it can be sliders, it can be chips and dips, it can be pizza, it can be sandwich, or hamburgers, as the case may be. So they are all fun food that are served during gathering. And then in Nigeria, we have different kind of fun food that are also served, like small chops, and we have meat, different kind of food actually being served during a gathering in Nigeria. There are some cultural and religious occasions that they serve variety of food as well. So I'll be looking at Eid. Yeah, we have for the Muslims, they serve dates and biryani during their Eid. And then for the Christians, Passover, they have maza, brisket, which is always served at Passover. And then we have Lunar New Year. Okay, that's actually when dumplings and noodles are served, which symbolizes longevity and prosperity. Now, why is occasion food so special? Don't we eat at home? Why is the occasion food very special? Okay, it's because it brings people together. Yeah. Then it creates a kind of memory that they will cherish for a long time. So these occasions, when this food is served, people come together, they have fun, they are so happy to eat together, and then they cherish those loving memories for a very long time. And then those food keep being in their mind, and then they remember it for a long time because it's a joyful moment. In conclusion, food actually brings people together and it creates joy. Yeah, when you eat among the people you love, among the people you cherish and recognize and honor so well, you feel that you belong to a family, you belong to a group of people that love you, and it creates joy and harmony. Let's see how we've learned or what we've learned so far in today's class. Let's evaluate. All right. So I would like you to answer the following questions correctly on the stream. The first one says list out three occasions where food is needed, where we serve food, three occasions. Give you like five different occasions. And then the second question says mention some common food in one of these occasions. One of these occasions, can you mention any common food that is served in these occasions? Okay, thank you for joining to the next class again. I'll be expecting you in the next class and your responses on the comment section of this video and in the Google Classroom. If you have any concern, you can send your email to my mail, modupe.olayinka@greenlandhall.org. I'll be expecting your comments. Bye and enjoy the rest of the day.